Mazda's CEO is launching a $7,000 K-Truck that solves the biggest problem American truck buyers face today, finding an affordable, practical workhorse that doesn't waste your money on size you don't need. If you're sick of watching truck prices climb past $40,000 while fuel costs drain your wallet on every trip, this tiny hauler is built specifically to fix both problems at once. While American manufacturers keep building bigger, heavier, more expensive trucks that struggle to fit in your driveway, Mazda created a tiny workhorse that parks like a golf cart but hauls like a midsizer. Utility before style. For years, Mazda has chased one thing above all else: beautiful design that turns heads. The CX-30 looks gorgeous. The CX-5 wins design awards year after year. But ask owners about cargo space and you'll hear a different story. Mazda's crossovers sacrifice cubic feet for curves. They trade hauling capacity for head-turning aesthetics. The Japanese automaker built its reputation on style, not substance. The Scrum represents a complete reversal of that philosophy. This isn't about winning design awards. It's about solving real problems American truck buyers face every day. Think about trying to navigate a modern F-150 through a garden center, or squeezing a Ram down a narrow forest trail to reach your hunting cabin. Those situations turn into sweaty, stressful nightmares where one wrong move means thousands in body damage. That's where the cab-over configuration changes everything. By placing the driver directly over the front axle, Mazda eliminates nearly 4 feet of wasted hood space. The Scrum measures just 133.7 inches from bumper to bumper. But here's what matters: it hauls like a midsizer while parking like a compact car. The turning radius hits just 11.8 feet. That means 3-point turns become effortless, where full-size trucks need 5 or 6 attempts. At only 58.1 inches wide, this truck slides down ATV trails without scraping bark off trees on either side. Ground clearance sits at 6.3 inches. The high seating position puts your eye line above obstacles, while short overhangs mean steep driveways won't leave you beached and helpless. But all that maneuverability means nothing if the truck can't actually haul what you need, which is exactly where most compact vehicles fall flat on their face. Versatile cargo bed. Here's a frustration every truck owner knows too well. You buy a pickup for hauling, then you discover the bed's too short for lumber, too narrow for pallets, and too high off the ground to load without a circus act. Modern trucks prioritize crew cab comfort over cargo capability. The beds keep shrinking while the price tags keep climbing. The Scrum takes a different approach. Despite measuring barely 11 feet overall, the cargo bed stretches 76.4 inches long and 55.5 inches wide. 4-foot fencing posts, they fit with room to spare. Multiple square hay bales, no problem. Palletized supplies slide right in without awkward angles or creative stacking. But here's where Mazda really thought things through. American trucks give you one tailgate that opens in one direction. Want to load from the side? Tough luck. The Scrum's 3-way fold-down system lets all 3 bedsides unlatch and drop flat to 180 degrees. Suddenly, your forklift operator can approach from any angle. No more repositioning the truck 6 times to get the pallet where you need it. The low load floor height solves another chronic truck problem. At roughly 25 to 30 inches off the ground, you're done with a deadlifting routine. Generators slide on, fuel drums roll into place. Bags of concrete don't require Olympic weightlifting credentials. The bed features high tensile steel construction with factory coatings protecting against decades of abuse. Tie-down hooks line the perimeter. A headache rack guards the rear window. Payload capacity hits 771 pounds, enough for half a cord of firewood or 20 bags of concrete. And that standard bed is just scratching the surface, because the configuration options available for this truck put American manufacturers to shame. A truck for everyone's needs. Mazda listened to what buyers actually need. The standard 2-door truck handles basic hauling, but the Scrum van solves a completely different problem: secure, weather-protected cargo transport. With 69 cubic feet of interior volume, sliding side doors, and a massive rear lift gate, this variant works perfectly for mobile repair shops or urban delivery routes. Fold-flat rear seating transforms it from passenger hauler to cargo carrier in seconds. Then, Mazda addresses specialized work that forces most people to buy expensive aftermarket upfitting. The factory dump truck variant uses heavy-duty hydraulics to lift the rear bed. No more shoveling gravel or soil by hand. Capacity reaches 1,500 pounds. The scissor lift dump goes even further, raising the bed vertically several feet into the air. For farms dealing with mud, snow, and unpredictable terrain, the farming package brings part-time 4-wheel drive with high and low-range transfer cases. That low-range gearing provides the crawling power needed when you're pulling a loaded trailer through thick mud. High-grade versions pack locking rear differentials, splitting power evenly when one wheel starts spinning. This lightweight truck floats over soft ground where 6 6,000-pound pickups sink to their axles. All this capability sounds impressive until you remember most utility vehicles treat driver comfort like an afterthought. But that's another area where Mazda refuses to compromise. Comfortable and well-equipped. Anyone who spent time in a basic utility vehicle knows the drill. No heat in winter means frozen fingers. No air conditioning in summer means heat exhaustion. Open cabs let rain soak you. Rough suspension beats your spine into submission after a few hours. Most people tolerate these conditions because they assume work vehicles just come that way. The Scrum proves that assumption wrong. Powerful air conditioning handles 100-degree summers without breaking a sweat. High-output heating conquers sub-zero winters. Large doors open nearly 90 degrees, making entry and exit effortless even when you're wearing heavy work boots. The high seating position creates surprising legroom. That enclosed steel cab delivers something open-air utility vehicles can't provide: protection from rollover accidents, shelter from the elements, dramatically reduced noise and vibration that prevents the fatigue most UTV operators accept as normal. Of course, all the comfort features in the world don't matter if the engine can't move the truck efficiently, which brings us to what's powering this compact workhorse. Powertrain. Gas prices keep climbing and your work truck keeps guzzling fuel like there's no tomorrow. 15 miles per gallon adds up fast when you're making multiple trips daily. Meanwhile, that heavy engine means you're burning premium fuel just to haul basic loads. The Scrum 658 cubic centimeters inline 3-cylinder takes a radically different approach. It achieves 37 to 47 miles per gallon in real-world conditions. That's double the efficiency of typical domestic pickups. For small delivery businesses or farms running constant errands, those fuel savings cover the purchase price within a few years. The four-wheel drive system features part-time engagement. Run rear-wheel drive for maximum fuel economy on pavement, then switch to four-wheel drive when terrain demands it. The farming package includes low-range gearing for slow-speed crawling when you're towing heavy trailers through challenging conditions. Now here's the reality. That 658 cubic centimeter engine meets Japanese regulations but won't satisfy American highway needs. Mazda recognizes this. The North American version will receive a larger, more powerful engine, a unit providing genuine highway capability. Expect enough output to merge confidently and maintain interstate speeds without constant downshifting. That powertrain upgrade is critical, but none of it matters if American buyers can't actually get their hands on one, or worse, if the price makes it just another unattainable option. Release date and price. The timeline requires patience. Mazda plans to bring the Scrum to North American shores in approximately 2 to 3 years. Production preparations are underway. Regulatory compliance work continues. Here's where things get revolutionary. The base model will start around $7,000. Brand new, factory-warranted, street-legal truck. Enclosed cab with working heat and air conditioning, legitimate safety equipment. Higher trims with four-wheel drive, power steering, and advanced features will cost more. But even fully loaded variants should stay well under $12,000. Compare that reality to current market options. High-end UTVs routinely demand $15,000 to $25,000. Used domestic pickups in decent condition start around $10,000 minimum. The Scrum undercuts both while offering unique advantages like enclosed protection, incredible fuel economy, and maneuverability that neither competitor can match. For American homesteaders, small business owners, and property managers tired of oversized, overpriced trucks, the Scrum represents something different: affordable transportation that actually fits the work. Japanese reliability proven over 3 decades. The right-size solution for jobs where full-size pickups waste fuel and space. The Mazda Scrum K-Truck proves that bigger isn't always better when it comes to getting real work done. With its compact 11-foot footprint that maneuvers like a golf cart, 76-inch cargo bed with 3-way access, and fuel economy hitting 47 miles per gallon, this $7,000 workhorse delivers exactly what American buyers have been begging for: affordable utility without the wasted size and fuel costs. Factory dump configurations, scissor lifts, 4-wheel drive with locking differentials, and an enclosed cab with real safety equipment make this more capable than $20,000 UTVs while costing less than half as much. When it arrives in late 2027 with a proper highway-capable engine, the Scrum won't just compete with American trucks, it'll expose how badly overpriced and oversized the competition has become. Speaking of the competition, this tiny Mazda won't be the only K-truck stepping on American shores. If you want to learn about other options, start with our next video, which is about Toyota's K-truck. It's as capable but even cheaper than Mazda, and comes with the badge that guarantees reliability and durability.